Hi guys and welcome back. Just been cleaning the Voge 300 Rally, oiling the chain, doing a slight bit of maintenance on it. Stonking hot. It's getting crazily hot to even ride. I've got to clean the 900 DSX over there in a minute. But yeah, I was just wanted to share my thoughts on a few things on the 300 Rally and how it's holding up. Bearing in mind I only bought this at Christmas and we're only in the back end of, well, we're in July now, aren't we? So I've had it 6 months, so heading into the 7th month. And I've done 1,000 kilometres, which have all been off the trail, so hardly any tarmac, to be honest. It's all been fire trails, off-road roads, so done about 1,000 kilometres off-road in 6 months, which is not a lot, but bearing in mind I've got the other 2 bikes over there and I've got the bike there, so I'm using all different bikes. It's just something to get out and about on the trails. So I was going to say, how is it holding up, bearing in mind it's still practically a new bike. I put the lowering link underneath that I did the video previously, and a good few comments on that. What I found after putting the lowering link on, I had to then compress the rear spring, because it takes some of the compression out of the rear spring, so I've done that again and took it for a ride yesterday, which I really enjoyed. It's almost back to how it felt when it came out of the showroom. But cleaning it today, I'll go around a few bits and bobs. It still cleans up okay, it cleans up great. I'm not too enamoured with the wishbone on the bottom there. I might take the wishbone back off, and if you look at the bottom of the, if you can see there, if I can get my finger underneath, look at the bottom of the spring, there's a longer section on the bar there, and a lot of people who've got 300 Rallies are taking them to Honda dealerships and they're drilling another hole 30mm higher or whatever they want to raise it in this section and rebolting it higher up. Apparently, to all the comments I've received, it doesn't void the warranty. You're just dropping the bike down using the original spring that's on there, so it may be a route I'll go down. I've not got 100% confidence with these. I went over some rough stuff yesterday, and it was constantly in my mind whether they were going to snap on real rocky, rutty stuff. There was no jumps per se, but I'd gone over a couple of heavy rocks that took a real bang on the back end. Yeah, so what I wanted to go over, I've just been going through the routine maintenance, like I say, cleaning it up, doing the wheels, doing the chain, and I wanted to show you this, guys. I don't know if you can see that, we're in bright sunshine here, but this particular section of the front fender, when I was using the jet wash, now before you say don't use the jet wash on the bike, I've got a low power bike jet wash part that goes into my jet wash system. Very low pressure, it's not high pressure at all, it's just enough to wash the bike and foam it to start with. And what I noticed around here, the silver paint started to lift. There doesn't appear to be any primer under there whatsoever, and as I was lightly jet washing it, it just kept flaking off till it got to a part where it is bonded. So whether there was some grease on this section or it wasn't primed properly, I don't know. It's not a big problem, it's easy enough to take off. There's only 4 bolts underneath. It's 10 minutes to rub down and re-blow over with some primer and some silver paint or even another colour. It's not a problem, like I say, but just begs the question, and we've said this in the past, we know these Voge Rallies are made to a price, and most of us, and me included, are okay with that price for €3,600 on the road, including 3 years insurance if you want it. For what I want to use it for, it's fine. But there are some corners cut during the production and manufacture, or maybe lacking in some cleaning methods, I don't know. You can see on the white section there are some silver bits still on there, really stuck, but they're only in places. Now this part of the bumper does take a lot of flex. There is some flex signs showing in the plastic underneath, and that may well be what started the paint to lift. Could have contributed to it. Now what I noticed when I'm riding this, especially over rough ground, this is doing this sort of thing, and you can see how much vibration there is. It's totally bolted in place, so obviously there's a lot of flex and a lot of stuff going on there. Not a problem, just a piece of plastic. I mean, it can be repainted and you can get them fairly easily. So yeah, to a price point, does that price point bother you? There's another flex mark there, I don't really show up on camera, but there's a slight crease flex there, and yeah, issues, would they bother you, these issues, or would you go for something like the Honda, pay double the price or 3 times the price, especially for a Yamaha, over little things like this on a fairly new bike, bearing in mind it is a new bike? So just a quick video, guys. Hope you're enjoying the good weather wherever you are and it's not too hot for you. In Spain here it's blistering inferno. So in summation, guys, the Voge 300 Rally, is it fit for purpose and is it going to have any longevity? Well, it just depends how you look after it, I suppose. For me, it ticks all the boxes for what I bought it for, price point and the usage I will get out of it per annum. So looking at my current usage, I'm probably going to only do 2 to maybe 3,000 kilometers a year on this particular bike. Just when the urge takes me to follow a trail and go off-road. Unless I go on any long adventures with a couple of saddlebags, it's going to be one of my low mileage bikes. Excuse me, guys. So you can see I've cleaned the bikes and one of my little dogs is down there determined to go around and pee on them all. Git. Right, okay, so I'll wrap this video up on the Voge 300 Rally here, guys. It's a bargain of a bike. In hindsight or in retrospect, it's a bargain of a bike, but what you're going to have to do, guys, you're going to have to keep on top of it, keep it clean, make sure you keep it oiled up and all the nuts and bolts protected from corrosion, etc. Keep an eye on the paintwork and you'll be good to go. So ride safe, guys, catch you in the next one.